Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a Mazda CX7 guys, and you have a code P0449 guys, okay, this is related to canister vent valve. Okay, in today's video guys we'll explain where it's located, okay, and how to remove, how to actually test it without removing it. In another video we'll have a special video that will explain how to remove, how to replace it. All that will be on the channel. In addition, we'll guys have more than 200 videos on this car and every car we get at the shop, because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment below and let us know if the video is helpful guys, or if you have any recommendations. So let's start on it now. So I have the hood of this Mazda CX7 open guys, and I want to show you a few things. Now, what is a vent canister valve? Okay, this thing here is known as purge valve. It's not this thing, but it's kind of like that thing. You have one more valve like this one by the fuel tank, okay, where it collects the vapors and all that stuff, the fuel vapors, and it looks like this one, kind of like this one. It has two hoses and one connector. This connector has two wires, okay, so we can apply negative and positive to it, and the hose, okay, it goes from one hose, the vapors go and exit the other one. And what it does, it's pretty simple. It has a magnetic coil and it just opens and closes. So you can test it manually usually by applying 12 volt supply. However guys, okay, this valve, okay, is hidden, and I will explain to you where it's located in just a little bit. It's actually, okay, on most cars, it's, okay, close to the fuel cap, okay, under the fender liner. And we'll show you guys, okay, where this one is located now. So, with the help of that computer, okay, this is the computer I'm talking about. All you have to do, connect that device to the OBD port of your Mazda. And next guys, okay, we're going to go ahead, put the key in, turn the ignition on. Okay, and this computer works on any car, not just Mazda guys. This is like a dealer level equipment. You can read the lead codes from every computer in your car. You can program stuff, so please check it out. The link will be in the description of the video below. So what I'm going to do, I'll click auto detect. It's going to read the VIN number of the vehicle. It's going to ask us to confirm that this is the correct one. We say okay. Now it's going to decode the information and tell us which vehicle we have, so you don't have to manually select it. Perfect. Now it's going to load the software for Mazda guys. Okay, we do not have advanced keyless entry. This is the one with the push start button. We continue. Okay, it's taking just a little bit of time now to load everything, checking all the different components and computers. And we'll be ready to go in just a little bit. So, okay, right here now, we click diagnostics. Next, okay, we're going to click control unit. Under control unit guys, okay, we're going to select PCM, and under PCM now we'll click active test. And right here it's going to load. It's going to take just a little bit of time to check all the components. And it's going to give us, okay, it's going to give us the options. And right here now you can see we have purge valve and we have canister vent valve. Okay, what we need to do, we need to go under canister vent valve, right here. And we're going to select this one now. And we can manually turn it on and off now. So, let me show you now. When we turn it on and off, you're going to hear a very, very minor click, okay, right here by the rear tire. Okay, so let me explain where that one is. So I'll turn it on and off guys, and you're going to hear the click. Listen now. Okay, it's kind of under the car on the rear side. Okay, right here, where the box, the canister vent box is. Listen now. So you can definitely guys hear it. So that's a good working valve guys. Now if you have that code, okay, you will need to check that valve. Okay, if it's not making any noise, okay, it's not good. If it's making a noise, most likely it's opening. Also, you need to check the connectors, okay, to make sure everything's tight, not loose, and the hoses are connected. So that's how you guys do it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.